Suryaya Swaha Suryaya Idam Namah Prajapataye Swaha Prajapataye Idam Namah.
It is a simple technique, comes from Vedic knowledge.
All the 5 basic elements of nature can be ignited by this one small effort, Agnihotra. Agnihotra is a small fire prepared in a copper pyramid, and it's tuned to the circadian rhythms of sunrise and sunset. When you prepare the fire in the prescribed copper pyramid and you chant the Sanskrit mantras as you offer rice with ghee to the fire, a channel is created through the atmosphere, and prana, the life energy, is purified. An aura or an energy field is created around plants in the vicinity during Agnihotra. The plants become stronger and disease-resistant. We have to purify and restore all water resources. Agnihotra is the ready-made answer. Air quality index figures are so scary. Agnihotra is an ultimate antidote for fighting this malady. Agnihotra ash itself is a balanced substance. It has the properties of healing and of light. Agnihotra creates a wonderful environment for healing and for psychotherapy. Several centers around the world have been established where several families live close to each other, helping with the gardens, with cow dung production, and with the Vedic fires. The fire, ignited by Agnihotra, clears the darkness. It illuminates our path.